Good morning and once again welcome to my YouTube channel Pearson and Excel International Math by Mr. Kamoto, and I'm delighted to explain the very last example of shape and space 7 in IGCSE book 2, and we are still talking about volumes of similar shapes, and we are told that in example 20 the two prisms are similar, and we have that prism. We have one prism like this, and there is 1 centimeter, and the volume is 2 centimeter cubed, and we have another bigger one whose dimension is x centimeters, and it has a volume of 54 centimeter cubed. So we are supposed to find x. So where do we have full details? Of course, this volume is 2 centimeters cubed and this volume is 54. So upon the volume we have all the details. So the volume scale factor is the volume of new, which is 54, over the volume of the old, which is 2, and the volume scale factor is 27. Yet we know, because we are being asked to get the dimension, the length of the new shape, we're talking about the linear. We are going to be assisted by the linear scale factor here. Now, since 27 is equals to the linear scale factor cubed, we may wish now to find the cube root on both sides and get the linear scale factor. Then the linear scale factor is the cube root of 27, which is basically 3. Therefore, the length of new over the length of old should give us the linear scale factor, which is a 3. The length of the new, which is x, over the length of the old, which is 1, it should give us a 3. So meaning that x over 1 should give us a 3. And it goes without saying x is simply 3 centimeters. And that is as far as example 20 is concerned. I realized that example 18 was forgotten, and I would want to explain it in this video. Let me just write it here, example 18, in the same video, because they are going to use the same kind of phenomenon, the same knowledge, the same approach. The two solids shown are similar. The volume of A is 20. Find the volume of B. So we have a shape here whose volume is 20 centimeter cubed. This is volume A, and there's another big one whose shape is the same, and we are going to talk about this is B, and the volume of B, it has to be seen to be a solid, of course. The volume of B is not known. The volume is not known. We need to get this. The dimension here is 4. There is the dimension here, the length 4 centimeters, and the corresponding length here is 6 centimeters, not 8 centimeters, so to speak. 8 centimeters, so to speak. So we need the volume of the bigger one. Yet we have the length here, and we have the corresponding length here. So we have full information in the lengths. The linear scale factor is, of course, length of big over, or rather the length of the new over the length of the old, which is 8 over 4, giving us 2. And because we need the volume scale factor is the linear scale factor cubed, which means 2 cubed, which means 8. And because we have the volume of the old one, it goes without saying the volume of new over the volume of old should give us the volume scale factor, which is 8. In this case, the volume of new, let's call it B, the volume of B, all over the volume of old, which is 20. This is one which is giving us an 8, of course, over 1. And because these are two equal fractions, the volume of B is definitely 20 times 8, which is easily 160 centimeter cubed. And that is just like what we are expected to find. 160 centimeter cubed is the volume of the new shape there. B. Yes, that's the end of the topic. Please, once again, go to my YouTube channel, subscribe and share widely, and let us work together. Be on the lookout for the next topic, which is set 3. We shall explain it. Be on the lookout, even as we understand shape and space 7. Thank you so much, and have a blessed day.